Hello, welcome to Olivia Toys. Okay, come with me because we are going to investigate what is inside this enormous purple brick. This is the LEGO Friends Heartlake City brick box. I think I got all that correctly. This is a whole heap of build and rebuild sets. So this one's like a 2-in-1 set, this is a 2-in-1 set, and this is a 2-in-1 set. There are 3 different sets in here that you can then rebuild as another set. So it doesn't have instructions for one big set out of all of the pieces that I know of, but we're going to have a look what's in here. So we've now got a nice big storage container which you can stack on top of more if you have more of them. This is the first time LEGO Friends has actually had one of these creator brick box sets like this, and it's way past overdue. Now we've got 3 books and each book has got 2 different builds in them with the 2 different themes. So 2 different builds on the same theme. So this one is Olivia's little build, and she's got 2 different things we can do there. The second book has got some Mia themed ones here with a Mia mini doll in there and a pony and a treehouse, which is cool. So 2 different things that are coming out of those same bricks. And this one looks like an Andrea themed. I love these transparent bricks, but there's no Andrea mini doll in here. I think they must have run out of money, but why is there not like a third one in here? That's weird. Okay, so we've got 3 green base plates. So these are going to be the base for all of the individual builds. We got 1 bag which will have the first build in it, 2 bags with the second, and the third one with the third build in it. Alright, so today let's have a look at the first one. We need just these pieces and a base plate. We need a base plate. So let's have a look. Olivia comes with this, and I don't think that there's anything exclusive here in this set. That we've seen this top before and we've seen these pants before, though it's really cute little top. What is going on with her neck? That's like the mold on this has gone really badly. This is not, it's not all connected up. That's pretty poor, LEGO. That's the first time in all of my building that I have seen a mini doll so badly put together. Okay, so her neck, is this gonna like snap off if I... No, it's not, I suppose, because the neck's actually pushed through the torso piece, I think. Okay, but it's not, that is not properly molded, so that's not well finished, which is very unusual for LEGO, but not nice to see. And of course, let's get back to the actual mini doll. She's got her normal face, she's got her normal hair, she looks very cute, and she's ready for us to do the build. So to start the build, we need our big green base plate, and I cannot remember what we were building. What's she getting? She's getting... I don't know, because I forgot. My attention span of a gnat. I got distracted by her very sad little neck. So we currently have got a semicircle here. Well, it's more than a semicircle, but you know what I mean. A circular shape that doesn't go all the way around to a circle. And we're building it up. Nice, big, tall, like dark turquoise pieces here in the curved pieces. I don't know how much of this is making any sense today. And she's got a little, I don't know what it is. Like it's the weirdest looking pool if it's a pool. It's not a pool. Is it? I don't even know what it is. All these little studs. I don't have any studs in this color pink. And I don't know what this, oh okay, alright, I do know what this is now, I think. So we've got a drinks machine or so something to dispense something. To dispense these yummy looking drinks. Well, hold on, and now we've got, this is nice to have that white swirly piece, which has only come in a few sets this year in 2020, and there's cash registers, so it's obviously a little cafe or a little smoothie bar of sorts, and she gets a rabbit in this pack, which is good, and we've got some money to buy stuff, which is also useful. Okay, so around the back we get some really nice big tan arch pieces, which are, they close off nicely like that, like they have rounded on the front and the back. And does that make any sense? So we don't see the exposed edges, which are now facing each other in the middle, and we're putting this arch, makes a lovely frame, lovely door in the back there. Oh, it's very pretty. Now what do we have? We have got a mint piece here with a red rounded over bit, another little pink stud, and a white rounded over fronty bit. And that one, black piece has got some little holes out the back, some studs out the back, so that's cool. Busy making all of this, throwing that one away, busy making all of this rounded over outward I don't know if anything that I'm saying today makes any sense. It makes sense in my head, but I don't know it's going to make very much sense. It looks like we've made some steps here. Oh, we've made like a lovely cream topping there. I like the way the tan pieces kind of fill that out and make it not so extreme. And this part here is a black straw. It's a nice big, oh goodness, now I'm thirsty and hungry. So it's the cream whipped topping on her delicious drinks that she's got. That's really pretty and way too tasty looking. So over here on the side, we've got some of those rounded over purple bricks, and it's a seating area. We've got some nice seats on the front and a tabletop here. That's so simple, so useful. Oh, cool. All right, who's going to sit on the other one? Maybe we can see if the bunny can sit on the other one. And of course we need some drinks. So this time we change them around. So we have the white poop shaped one, like, because remember we had the brown poop coming in that shape. That's how we first saw that shape, was in the brown poop with the dog walker. And that's how I will always remember it, no matter what other things happen. Now, we've got a couple of spare pieces, more than a couple, got a few spare pieces, but now we finished the first build, which is a cute build just by itself. I can see the girls having fun at this tiny little pop-up cafe, but now let's break it. Let's break all the pieces. This actual set comes with a brick remover, which is good. Actually, it would be handy to have two, but hopefully you have a second one when those two plates are actually stuck together and you need two brick removers to get them apart. We're doing all right with just one at the moment. And once we've got it all pulled apart, then we can start on the two in one set. The 1 in 2 set. No, 2 in 1 set. All right, so we're starting with our green base plate again. And we're putting the arches up here this time, once again, nicely facing into each other, so they make a complete columny kind of architecturally arch thing back there. None of that was very good English, but you know what I'm saying. And putting the mint pieces on the outside here. What are we building? It's like, kind of looks almost like it could be a Roman bath. Wouldn't that be nice? I don't know what it is. I think we've got, are they like, oh, okay. So we've got drinks in here. They're poolside lounges, but they haven't been quite as finished as they normally are in the Lego Friends sets. They haven't been smoothed over because we're using the same pieces that come in this bag number 1. So what have we got here? A little pool, I think, off to the side. Oh, like a little spa, a tiny... No, hold on. I don't think it is a spa because we are building a... Oh, yeah, okay. We're building a what do you call those things? Diving board. I was going to say a jumping board. It's not quite high enough to dive, so we're just going to call it a jumping board into the tiny pool, which is dangerous. It's too small to have an actual diving board. It doesn't matter. It's all a suspension of disbelief anyway. Okay, so... Oh, see these two pieces make the same size rounded over piece as the white one down the bottom. Does that make sense? So that, yeah, okay. I had never actually clocked that. All right, cool. So we've got a little overhang there, and now we get, I suppose we had the cash register piece, right? So this is going to be where we put the cash register piece. Maybe this is going to be like, I think it's going to be, yeah, here's a cash register. I think this is going to be like a mini smoothie, portable smoothie bar for our poolside smoothie bar. Oh, or maybe the cupcakes. Maybe it's a cupcake bar. Might be. We're putting all these little studs on that side. Oh, that's really cute. Oh no, we've still got some, maybe that's just to put your toppings on whatever the pink things are. It's up to you to decide what they are. But we need to put the umbrella on as well. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so a little portable cupcakey smoothie bar kind of thing. Oh, okay, and I think we're done. We're done with this second build, so it's not as complete looking as the first one, but you can certainly have lots of fun with it. Okay, that's cute. Now, and we do have a decent amount of bricks still left at the end, and I think Lego missed an opportunity here. There's pillow pieces, and this black, actually, maybe I could put, no, I don't know. But they definitely missed an opportunity with these pillow pieces. We could put these up here and then put our smooth bit there, and then it kind of looks like comfy, long chair deck things. But I prefer that. And maybe we could put this over here like a little lamp. Okay, that might be stretching my imagination a bit there. That doesn't really look like a lamp. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, though I don't know why you'd have a lamp out there. Maybe it's for when you come to your little beachside pool at night. Alright, so that's the first build out of 3 builds in this box. So we're going to build the other 2. Which of these 2 did you prefer? I think I prefer this one, like the first, the smoothie bar kind of one, because the second one seems kind of unfinished, but it's nice to know that you can use these same pieces to create a complete other build, which is the point of Lego. Alright, now's the time to subscribe, click the like button, and check back in because we're going to continue on with this brick box and see what the other 2-in-1 builds are. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'll see you then. Bye!